Hello, welcome back to the potting bench. Thank you for being here, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, you may want to do so now. This way you can keep catching up on these beautiful plants which I always post in here, discuss them, and we can discuss them together through the comments section if you want to know more about them. Today I have encycliacordigera. This is an orchid which has been discovered and found mainly through the southern parts of Mexico to the northern parts of the South American continent and all through Central America. So basically I want to say it's from Central America, but a little bit parts of both North America and South America. Some species have been found way down in Brazil, but for the most part this specific species found mainly in Central America. It's a very beautiful medium-sized to small size to medium-sized plant. It doesn't grow too big. Sometimes if you have an older plant, maybe the pseudobulbs can be a lot of them and they'll produce you more spikes and you'll have more flowers that way. But for the most part, it's just a nice, beautiful, neat producing orchid. Produces a spike right in the middle of the pseudobulb and it gives you all these nice, beautiful flowers. The flowers of encycliacordigera are fragrant, hence its common name, the cocoa orchid. The name cocoa orchid comes, I believe, from the scent of it, because it smells like unprocessed chocolate. If you pass through a chocolate manufacturing industry, somewhere in a chocolate industry, that's where the smell you can smell there, that's what you smell here. But that one with a tinge of coconut in it and probably a little bit more floral, I want to say. Well, I shouldn't be putting too much opinions in the smells because that's more of a perception rather. The beautiful flowers of the encycliacordigera, which is another distinguishing feature of it, are spider-like flowers which are always beautiful. There is the dark side, and then the lip is more purplish, and then there is so the contrast in the color of the flower itself are just beautiful. And the flowers are wider, they're like 2 inches wide, and it comes with enough of them in the stem. So it's a beautiful, nice plant to have for a hobbyist, or if you're a collector. Some of these species are a little bit more valuable and rare, they become collector's items. It's pseudobulbs. They are usually nice, stout, and very smooth. They look like actual onions. Don't eat them. And it produces pups, a lot of them sometimes. Even though it's a little bit of a slow grower, but you can still grow it and have beautiful, nice pups, and they'll give you nice, beautiful plants. The plant is epiphytic. This is why you see the pot is serrated, so that we can have more aeration in there. And the potting mix on it is if you have watched some of my previous videos, it's a custom made mix. We use orchid bark, and we use perlite, and we use horticultural charcoal. So we call this the epiphytic mix. We mix it in the ratio of 3:1, meaning 3 bark, 2 perlite, and 1 horticultural charcoal. And that's our growing mix for it. Overall, it's a beautiful, nice, small specimen. It's not too finicky to grow, but it needs a little bit more attention than most other orchids. And it will give you flowers around spring. It's actually, if you can find it, most suppliers will have them blooming by Mother's Day. It's a very known gift for Mother's Day. Like, you can gift this to your mother. If your mother is an orchid enthusiast, they will be really happy to get one. Thank you very much for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, add it into a comment section. Thank you very much. You have a blessed, wonderful day.